Hello everyone, you are welcome to Elyon Tutors. Today we'll be looking at how to design an anchor, which is also known as crank hook. This is the specification given to us. You can see the anchor. This anchor, you have a concentric circle and eccentric circle. Radius of the circle given both for the concentric and eccentric circle. So we are going to design our anchor based on this specification. So I will start off with the eccentric circle. You can see for this eccentric circle, they are having different circle center. So for the first circle here of radius 20, then the center of the bigger circle of radius 40, the distance between them is 10. So let's quickly do that. So I will draw my baseline. Okay. Then to ensure the lines are perpendicular, so use my set square in that form. Okay. So we have that. So the circle is having radius 20. So I'll quickly do that now. So the circle here is radius 20. So I'm going to measure radius 20. You have that. Okay. So for the other circle, radius 40, but at a center 10 millimeter. So that is 1 centimeter. So okay. All right. So, okay. So the distance between the center of the eccentric circle and concentric circle is given as 75 mm. That is 7.5 centimeter. So we are going to have that cut out. Okay. So we have our center. Okay. So let's draw the two concentric circle now. One of radius 10 mm, the other of radius 20 mm. That's 1 centimeter. The other of radius 20. Okay. Now let's have this part design. Look at it. The height here is 8.8 millimeter, that is 2 millimeter. So to centimeter will be 0.88, that is approximately 0.9. So if you use 0.9, you are still in order. Use 0.9. So let's have that drawn. Okay. Yes, the next thing we are going to have here, we have the radius, two radii here. The first one, the two are 20 at both the internal and external, both parts. So we have 20 here. Okay, this is 20. Place at a point here. Okay. Then the other one, the external part like this. So you have this. Okay. Yes, we have the anchor, the sharp edge. This sharp edge, some anchor are like this, but in this design it is stated that it has been chopped off with radius 4.5. So we are going to chop that off. Okay, so before we get that, we are given radius, we are given 3 mm distance from this part to this. So we are going to get that out. That's 0.3. 0.3. 1, 2, 3. So you have that drawn up. Zero point 0.3. So I show it straight here. Okay, so this is the point of reference. When you measure the radius with which is used to be chopped off, that is 4.5. That's approximately 0.5 to centimeter. 0.5. So we can have this like this first. Later we'll finish it up with our thick lines. So from this part, if you look at it, the tangent of this circle here to the tangent of the internal eccentric circle here is a straight line. So we'll connect that up. Connect that. Okay, so that has been done. So the next thing we are going to do now, we want to get the radius of the tangent here, which is given as 40 here. Now there is a principle of tangents we are going to use here. If you look at the eccentric circle here, the outer one here is 40. So we are going to be adding the radius here, 40 plus this 40. So that will give us 80. So you extend your compass to 80. So this is 80. Place at the center of this circle. This is the center of the circle, not this one. At the center of this circle, because the tangent is touching this circle, as we can see here in the diagram. Okay, so strike an arc. So for the other one, we have radius 20. Just add 20 plus 40, so that will give us 60. 20 plus 40 is 60. So measure out 16. So place here, you have that. Alright, so the next thing we're going to do now is to follow the radius of the tangent, which is 40. So that is 40. So this is 40. We have 40. 40 place here on this part, you can see, and it must connect with this. So we can tick that out immediately. Okay, so this is our anchor. So what remains now is to do the finishing by thickening out the major parts. So I will start with this one, and you have to be careful so that you can have a fine finish. Okay, so we come here. So you have this. You don't need to tick out everything, no. Stop there from where the tangent begins. So we are done with that part. So let's go to the other part from here. Okay, you can finish the, because it is the inner part. Okay, yes, it's correct. This way. Then we have this. We have this. Then the next one with this center. So with this 20, meeting at this point, you have this. Then for the other part, then the 0.5. Okay, so here we have our anchor design. So please, you can like and share the video. Thank you very much.